In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Base44 for business automation. By the end of this guide, you will be able to navigate the platform and set up automations that can streamline your business processes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Base44 application. You can do this by entering quote app.base44.com quote in the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you directly to the Base44 interface where you can start your automation journey. Once you're on the Base44 homepage, locate the section titled Recent Apps. This is typically displayed prominently on the main dashboard. Click on Recent Apps to view a list of your previously created projects. This section allows you to quickly access the applications you have been working on. After selecting Recent Apps, find and click on the specific projects you wish to automate. This action will redirect you to the dashboard of that project. Ensure that you recognize the project name displayed at the top of the screen before moving forward. Next, look for the dashboard option within your project interface. Click on it to access the main features and settings of your chosen project. This is where you will manage various aspects of your application, including automations. Following that, navigate to the Automations option located in the sidebar. Click on Automations to display all existing automation settings for the project. This section is essential for creating new automations or modifying existing ones. You will see an option labeled Build and Manage Automations in your app. Click on this to enter the automation building interface. This is where you can set up new automations tailored to your specific business needs. Be mindful that a subscription is required to unlock full automation capabilities within Base44. If you do not have a subscription, you will not be able to access certain features. Ensure that you have checked your subscription status before proceeding. Within the automation interface, you can create reminders to help you manage tasks efficiently. Look for the option to create a reminder and click on it. This feature will enable you to set up notifications for important tasks or deadlines. To create a new automation, click on either the AI chat or prompt feature available in the automation section. This will guide you through the process of setting up a new automation using intelligent prompts. Once you have selected the automation type in your desired reminder, specify the details clearly to ensure that the automation functions as intended. This step is crucial for tailoring the automation to your specific requirements. Base44 will automatically generate the automation based on the information you provided. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the automated process simplifies the setup and saves you time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.